Hi friends, today we are going to talk about what are the different treatment aspects for osteoarthritis. So, osteoarthritis is a very common problem in the aging population. When a patient comes to us, we take the x-rays of the patient, and based on the x-ray findings, we grade the osteoarthritis stage. Grade 1 to grade 4. Grade 1 being the early stage, and grade 4 being the advanced stages of arthritis. The treatment for grade 1 and grade 2 stage of osteoarthritis is lifestyle modification like reducing your body weight, exercising, physiotherapy, medications for the knee, medications to improve the lubrication of the knee joint, and also viscosupplementation, in which we inject uh, gel into the knee joint, which improves the lubrication of the knee joint, and also it improves the mobility of the knee joint, which can slow the process of osteoarthritis. So, in later stages of osteoarthritis, which is grade 3 and grade 4, the other modalities of treatment would not be much useful. So, the best choice during stage 3, stage 4 osteoarthritis would be a surgical treatment. It could be a total knee replacement or a partial knee replacement based on which compartment of the knee is involved.